For boxed breathing, we are going to work on alternate nostril breathing, and you're just using your pressure from your fingers, and then it's a little bit more noticeable, yes, but it is very beneficial and very relaxing to do this. So what you do is you just put your thumb on your nostril, your right nostril, and you'll breathe in. And I usually still count when I'm doing this, and you can use any different counting method. If you want to use the box, you want to do the 4, breathe in and you breathe out the same, or you can do a longer out breaths. They do suggest that that is a way to elicit the relaxation response of the body. So you just put your thumb over your right nostril, and then you'll breathe in. And then when you get ready to breathe out, you just put your other fingers on the other side and apply pressure to your alternate nostril, and then you breathe out. And so you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe in, and then alternate to the other side and breathe out for 4. And then when you're ready to breathe in again, bring your thumb back to the right nostril and breathe in. And then go to the other side and then press against your nostril so you're closing it up, and then you'll breathe out. You can either breathe in, breathe out for the same amount of time that you breathed in, or you can hold your breath longer on the out breath. Because like I said, that is what initiates a relaxation response, for breathing out longer than from what you've breathed in. So that is the alternate nostril breathing, and for as long as you can do that to help let your body get the clue that it can relax, the better. But if you ever are feeling dizzy or lightheaded, to just please stop. And again, try to make sure that you're doing the breathing from your diaphragm and your belly, and not so much from your upper chest.